At the Wilson Talent Center in Mason, students are redefining the word test in the classroom. News 10 Spencer Soicher shows us how in this week's School's Rule.
It's not what it looks like. But at the Wilson Talent Center, they're taking hands-on to the next level.
What we decided to do is have a urinalysis lab. And one of the downsides to that part of it is we really didn't want to use real urine for a couple reasons.
Daryn Baker teaches the Health Foundations lab at Wilson.
Mostly we get juniors from the area schools to come out, but it's also open to seniors. And we cover all the basics to help get them ready for careers in the health professions.
It's his special recipe that students are taking lab samples of.
I just went to the local dollar store on my lunch hour and I filled my cart with different supplies like apple juice and ammonia and drain cleaner. Vinegar was another thing that we used.
Soon his students were doing the test, learning more about kidney functions. The class uses a program called CrossBraining, where students take pictures of their experiments as they go.
It definitely helps me go step by step so I understand it more. And it also kind of gives you a sense of responsibility, stepping into that healthcare sort of placement. It's really nice to be able to just be in the moment, you know?
It's Baker's 4th year at the Wilson Talent Center, but his first year testing fake urine. He hopes there will be more experiments like this one in the future.
And I kind of joke with the students that this is version 4.0 for me. So each year, hopefully I get just a little bit better.
In Mason, Spencer Soicher, News 10.
Baker says using the app and watching his students' videos is a lot more fun than grading traditional homework. He hopes to continue this type of lab for years to come.